Okay. Down for the last problem. Okay, for this online discussion. This is sample problem number 5. You decide to flip a coin to determine whether to do your physics or English homework first. So, the coin is flipped straight up. Okay, ibig sabihin, nag-flip ka daw ng coin. Ibig sabihin, yung coins mo is finlip mo siya such that nagkaroon ka ng ganitong trajectory. Okay. So, pag ganyan yung trajectory natin sa coin. Ang unang tanong is what is the trajectory of the coin at top of its trajectory? Okay. Guys, always remember that kuha kayo ng coin. Ayan, I think, sige, makumuha kayo ng coin. Or any object na pwede nyo ihagis pataas. Okay. And then, pagbilang ko tatlo, sige, kung dumampot ka kahit ano, cellphone yan, o balibag mo kahit ano. Basta meron ka na bang hawak, o kung meron ka ng hawak, ihagis mo ngayon yung object na yan. Ihagis mo na. Ulitin mo pang isang beses. Ngayon, at this point, sa pinakatuktok, i-observe nyo nga kung ano nangyayari dito sa pinakatuktok. Pagkahagis nyo ng object, parang humihinto siya dyan, ano? Momentarily stops. Sa pinaka-taas. Okay? Kapag nare-reach ng object natin, yung pinaka-taas, basically, para siyang humihinto. So, kung para siyang humihinto, ilan yung velocity niya? O ilan yung speed niya? So, 0 meters per second. So, yung sagot natin sa letter A. Diba? Ang dali lang. Based on the analysis and common sense, masasagot mo na talaga ibang mga problems in terms of this type of topic. Okay? For letter B, if the coin reaches the high point of 0.25 meters above where you release it, what was its initial speed? Ngayon, kopyahin ko to. Kopyahin ko yan. Okay. Kapag ka daw na reach natin yung 0.25, tama ba? Or sa letter B, meron tayong na-reach na 0.25. Okay. Ilan daw yung initial velocity mo at this starting point? Ngayon, kunin natin yung mga given natin. Okay? We have y or delta y is equal to 0.25 above the datum. Ang datum natin is nandito po. Okay? Now guys, okay, kung na-reach nung ball, nung coin mo, yung mula dito at this point, ilan kaya yung velocity ng coin nung na-reach na yan yung highest point na 0.25 meters? O kakasabi ko lang kanina, the velocity, final velocity at the highest point is equal to 0 meters per second. Now guys, the gravity is constant na 9.8 meter per second square. And, okay, find the initial velocity. So, kung ganyan, given yung delta y, i-navigate mo lang ulit. Given si delta y, hinahanap si VO. Wala kang time. So hindi to pwede. Okay? Kapag ka hinahanap si VO, again, wala kang time. So, hindi to pwede. Now, guys, paano kaya yung dulo? Ito na last chance natin. Meron kang V na 0. Yun yung nakuha natin kanina. Hinahanap si initial velocity. You have the gravity. You have the delta y. So, basically, ito gagamitin natin. Ganun lang, guys. So, use the formula V is equal to V square is equal to VO square minus 2G delta y. So, si V square is equal to 0 square is equal to VO square, which is yung hinahanap natin, minus 2, 9.8. The delta y is 0.25. Wait lang. Which is equal to 0.25. Si VO is equal to 0 is equal to VO square minus 2, 9.81, 0.25. So this is equal to, for VO, this is equal to, ilan yun? We have 2.21 meters per second. Okay, so ibig sabihin guys, ito na yung final answer natin for letter B. Okay, down for the last problem. Ito na, matatapos na tayo, so konti na lang. Okay, down for the last problem, ang hinahanap natin sa letter C is catch it at the same height as you release it. How much time did it spend in the air? Ibig sabihin, gaano daw katagal, inihagis mo siya. Boom. Hanggang makatch mo siya ulit. Gaano daw katagal yung time na cover mo from the moment na hinihagis mo hanggang sa masalo mo ulit siya. So again, lista natin si given. Time na hinahanap sa atin dito. Okay, lista natin si given. We have delta y pa rin, which is equal to 0.25. Basically, ito lang naman yun. We have the initial na 0 meter per second. We have the gravity na 9.8 meter per second square. May nadagdag tayo. We have VO is equal to 2 point. Yung nakuha natin kanina sa letter B. Meters per second. Ang hinahanap sa atin, makinig, is that mula dito hanggang dito, mula dito sa baba hanggang dito, this is time na umangat ka. Mula dito naman hanggang dito is time na bumaba ka. Para makuha mo guys yung total time, basically si T up plus T down. Okay? So basically, si total time natin, paano mo ngayon mahanap? Find, ano hinahanap sa atin? Total time. Okay. Total time T. Now, kung hinahanap sa atin yun, pwede natin i-consider muna yung half ng trajectory. Tama? Ibig sabihin, pwede muna natin i-consider yung hanggang dito sa may taas na yan. Which is 0.25 yung height. 0 pa rin yung final velocity natin sa pinakatuktok. Since nagtuktok ngayon, i-analyze natin. 9.8 yung gravity. Ang initial na velocity natin from the start is 2.21. So, kung ang gagamitin natin yun, basically, we can use, okay, burahin ko muna to. Ano na may gagamitin natin dyan? We can use this one. So, we have V, meron tayong V, initial velocity. We have the gravity. Makukuha natin yung time up. Okay, hanggang dito muna yun ha. Hanggang dyan lang sa kalahati. So, ibig sabihin, V is equal to VO plus, minus GT. So, si V natin is equal to VO, V natin is equal to 0, is equal to VO na 2.21 minus 9.81 multiplied by T. By the way guys, si T dito is equal to T up. Kalahati pa lang na-consider natin. Ito pa lang yun, no? Yung papunta pa lang doon. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, okay, T up is equal to 0, 2.21 minus 9.81 multiplied by time. Lilitaw na ang ano natin is 0.226. So, T-up natin 0.226 seconds. Okay? But, always remember, sir, paano po yung T-down? Kung T-down naman i-analyze mo, mula dito hanggang dito naman, okay? Always remember, guys, na if nasa free-falling bodies ka at naghahagis ka ng object in a straight line position, kung gano'n siya kabilis pag-angat from this point up to this point, is gano'n din siya kabilis from the highest point, pababa naman sa'yo. Okay, so yun guys yung relation ng dalawa. So kung ganun pala, ibig sabihin si T down is also equal na 0.226 seconds. Tama? So para makuha mo si total time, pagpaplasin mo lang yung dalawa na yan. So you have 0.226 plus 0.226. So this is equal to 226 plus 0.226. This is equal to 0.452. 0.452 seconds. So basically, ayan. So, ito, ngayon, yan. Okay. So, ayan, guys, yung ating sagot.